Still pulling late nights just to close your month-end books? What if AI agents could handle the heavy lifting of reconciliations and journal entries while you keep total control? Welcome back. Today, we're looking at FloQast, an AI-native accounting automation platform designed to streamline your financial close process in 2026. FloQast is built by accountants for accountants and is already trusted by over 3,500 global teams, including companies like HubSpot. The core idea here is AI you'd stake your license on. Instead of letting an AI run wild with your financial data, FloQast uses a human-in-the-loop approach. Every single output is explainable, every decision is logged, and the final sign-off always stays with you. So how does it actually work? It's incredibly simple. You can describe your workflow in plain language, and FloQast's AI agents will execute it consistently every cycle. The platform continuously matches reconciliations, flags exceptions, and draft journal entries throughout the month, not just at the very end. Plus, it connects directly with your existing ERP and everyday tools, so your data flows automatically without forcing your team to switch systems. Now, to be completely transparent, we don't have hands-on user reviews or third-party feedback configured in our database today to give you a list of pros and cons from the community. However, looking at the platform's design, the clear pro is its audit-ready security and the fact that nothing gets posted without human approval. If there is a downside, it's that pricing isn't publicly listed, so you will need to book a demo on their website to see how it fits your budget. If you want to level up your skills, they also offer FloCademy, which provides free product training and CPE credits to help you get career-ready for the future of AI accounting. If you're ready to automate your close workflow and save hours of manual prep work, head over to flowcast.com to book a demo. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments, would you trust AI to draft your journal entries? See you in the next video.